How to automatically filter spam on TikTok.
Start out on your profile page. Then, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. There may also just be a gear icon also in the top right corner. Just find the gear icon and tap on that. From here, tap on Privacy. On the Privacy page, you'll want to scroll down to the Interaction section. Then, tap on Comments. About halfway through this page, you'll find this option that says Filter Spam and Offensive Comments. Go ahead and toggle that on. Now, any comments that TikTok's algorithm deems might be spam or offensive will need to be manually approved or verified, like kind of looked over you before they'll actually appear on your page. To review any comments that TikTok automatically hid, go to the bottom and tap on Review Filtered Comments. Now, I don't have any here, but if I did, this is where they'd appear. That's it. Before you go, check this out.